You keep hoping things will change, hoping life will fix itself. But here's the truth. Hope is a drug, and you're addicted. This video isn't here to inspire you. It's here to wake you up. From hope to action, from dreaming to doing. Why hope is a trap. Hope feels safe. It gives the illusion of progress. But all it does is delay the work. Neuroscience says it clearly. Dopamine is released not just when we achieve a goal, but even when we imagine it. That means your brain gets rewarded for just thinking about change. You feel satisfied without doing anything. It's time to break that loop. It's time to rewire. Step 1. Kill I hope and replace it with I will. Your words shape your mind. The moment you say I hope, you're already giving up control. Switch it. I will get stronger. I will wake up early. I will take action today. It's not magic. It's structure. Your brain needs clarity, not possibility, but commitment. Step 2. Environment. Beats motivation. Willpower is weak. Your environment? It's stronger. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Want to quit junk food? Remove it from your house. Motivation fades, but a designed environment will drag you into action even on your worst day. Don't rely on will. Build traps for your bad habits. Build paths for your good ones. Step 3. Micro actions trigger momentum. Waiting for the right time is a lie. You don't need a big move. You need a small start. Write one sentence. Do one push-up. Speak one truth. Your brain loves completion. Even a small win creates momentum. Forget motivation. Build motion. Step 4. Shift your identity, not just your habits. You've been trying to act like a disciplined person, but deep down, you still believe you're lazy. That belief will always pull you back. Change it. I'm the type of person who trains daily. I am the type who builds, not escapes. You don't fake it till you make it. You behave it until it becomes you. Step 5. The 1% rule. Massive change is a trap. The real game is played in inches. 1% better every day. That's it. Track it, log it, watch it grow. You're not here for a viral transformation. You're here for quiet evolution. The ones who win aren't loud. They're consistent. So here's the shift. Stop waiting. Stop fantasizing. Hope is for those who sit. Action is for those who rise. Kill your excuses. Make the move. You don't need another plan. You need a start. If you're ready to leave the hopeful crowd behind, then take action right now. Drop one I will statement in the comments. Subscribe for more mental rewiring. Your future doesn't wait. Neither should you.